So when you are asked these questions, why do you want to join our company, or why do you want to apply for this job? In that particular situation, suppose you are asked this question that why do you want to join our company, say a company like IBM, then what should be your answer? Your answer should have two aspects. One is to show that how much interested you are to join that company. You must be able to show that you are extremely excited and keen about joining this company. You're not sitting in this company because of being forced or coerced or because of any other compulsion. Rather, this is the company that you're actually interested to join. And why so? Then now bring up some fascinating facts or some unique aspects of that company which intrigues you, which you find very interesting. This could be like something related to how this company operates. For example, a company like IBM, it has worldwide operations. It has operations in more than 170 countries. Or it could refer to some historic aspects of the company, like it is a company that has offered, or this company, it helped in moon missions, in Apollo also, it designed something. Or this is a company which has played tremendous role in research historically, like development of floppy disks, or development of database management systems, or even the kind of relational schemas that we study in our subjects. These are the kind of things that uh, which have been worked upon by IBM. Or it could be the best or the most recent projects or research that IBM or that company is investing in. Basically, you have to show that how much you are interested in that company and how much you are excited to join it. Again, I'm telling you, how do you show your excitement towards a company or a person or an organization or whatsoever in your life? You show your excitement by knowing as many things about them as much as possible. And how do you know them? So don't rely only on Wikipedia, don't rely only on ChatGPT, but in a random way, search on YouTube, search on Instagram, search on with people who may have been working on IBM, who may be your seniors, or search on Quora, or search on these variety of platforms to know something about IBM. And then those things should be linked with your persona. You should be linking with those things that, okay, I am also interested in them. For example, IBM offers some path breaking opportunities to work in these innovating areas like quantum computing, and I'm also a person who's very excited to know about new things, and I have self motivation and I want to grow further. And I think that IBM is a company which has historically provided opportunities to people to grow and to evolve. And as a beginner, as a person who is just passing from BTech, I think it would be wonderful for me. It would be great for me if I can join a company like IBM. So in these aspects, on these lines, your answer should revolve whenever they ask you this question that why do you want to join a company. Remember, don't make it too mechanical. Don't make it as if you have learned that answer. There is no perfect answer to this question that why do you want to join our company. Everyone will give this answer according to his own persona and what he sees the best in the company. So invest some efforts. Again, I'm telling you, invest some efforts. Do some research about that company. That would really help you in improving your performance in the interview.